As part of your integrative output, which is graded and recorded, individually create an online advertisement with 3 to 5 minute duration. Choose one tourism product topic like hotel, attraction and destination, food establishment, or airline or seaport. In your advertisement, you will use one or more promotional sales to promote your product, like samples, coupons, packages, premiums, patronage rewards, point of purchase, or contests and games. You will use the knowledge that you get from tourism promotion. Your advertisement will be done or will be recorded in Flipgrid and be submitted on or before December 6, 2020. Before you do it, do not forget to see the rubric or the criteria for grading. A certificate will also be awarded to the most outstanding online advertisement. And the most important thing is do your best and be punctual in submitting your output. If you have question, you may drop a message to your subject teacher through Schoolbook message. Thank you so much.